Hey mate, are you spending too much time categorizing data? Let me show you a quicker way using a nested if formula in Excel. Today's task: we'll categorize scores into 4 groups: poor, less than 50, average, 50 to 74, excellent, 75 to 89, and outstanding, 90 and above. Here's how to do it. Start with the poor category, select the score, and use the formula to check if the score is less than 50. If true, label it poor. Add another if statement for the average category. Check if the score is between 50 and 74. If true, label it average. Continue with another if statement for the excellent category. Check if the score is between 75 and 89. If true, label it excellent. Finish with the outstanding category. If none of the previous conditions are met, label it outstanding. Stay tuned and subscribe for more Excel formulas and tips to boost your productivity. Drop your queries and doubts in the comments section. Feel free to message me on Instagram for more insights about Excel.